Hello everyone, today I am going to start a new video on AutoCAD software. Today we learn about the basic tools that are commonly used in AutoCAD software. So let's start from home. So line. So line tool is most commonly used tool in the AutoCAD software. To draw the line, left click on the line tool and then specify first point, then specify its next point, and to remove this line, press escape key and here we create a line, and the length of the line can be adjusted by moving this point like this and like this. Okay, this is the line. And polyline. To draw the polyline, left click on the polyline, then specify first point, then specify next point, the next point, and the next point. To remove this line, press escape key. So okay, so the main difference between line and polyline is that if I draw line like that, okay, and click on this portion, only this segment is selected. Only this segment is selected. But if I click on this segment, whole the line is selected. So the main difference is that in line, only the clicked segment is selected, but in polyline the whole the line is selected. Okay, so now next tool is circle. So there are different type of the circle. There are the different way to uh, draw the circle, and first one is the center and the radius. In which first we specify the center of the circle, then we specify the radius of the circle like that. And second method to draw the circle is center and diameter. First we specify center, then we specify diameter like that. Okay. And third one is 2 point method. It is first we have to specify first point, then we specify second point like that. And third one is 3 point method, in which we specify 3 point to draw the circle, first point, then second point, then third point like that. Okay. Now next tool is arc. So to draw the arc, left click on the arc tool, then specify the starting point, then specify second point, then specify end point like that. So the size and the shape can be adjusted by moving this point like that. So the middle point can be moved in inward direction or outward direction like that. Okay. Then next tool is a rectangle. To draw the rectangle, first specify the first corner point, then specify other corner point like that. So next tool is ellipse. To draw the ellipse, specify the center, then specify the end point, and like move in upward or downward direction to change the shape of the ellipse like that. Okay. So this tool is used for the hatching of the any object. So click on this hatch tool and then click on the object which is to be hatched like that. Right, like that. Then okay. So like that. And if I draw a line like okay, this, and like this. So if I have to edge this portion and then this portion, click on the edge and click on there and click on there. These two segments are edged and click on close. Okay. Now next, which is most commonly used co- command is move command. So if I have to move this object from here to there, then move command is used. So first select the object which is to be moved and then uh, left click on the move command, then specify the base point, this is the base point, and then move to here like that. Okay. Also, if I have to copy this block, if I have to copy this object, so first select this object, then click on the copy and then specify base point, then like that I can copy and paste it like multiple times, so like that. So if I have to escape from the this copy command, just enter escape key. Okay, like that. Now, so if I have to delete all these drawing, then first I have to select these all drawing by clicking on this side, then move the mouse in left or right direction and then enter, then press the delete key like that. So now next command is rotate command. To understand rotate command, just create a simple drawing like that. Okay, now I have to rotate this drawing. For this, select the drawing post and then enter on the rotate command, then specify the base point, this is the base point, then I can rotate it easily by moving the by rotating the mouse like that, or I can specify the angle it is it is rotated, like I have to rotate this by 90 degrees and just enter 90 like this is rotated. Okay, so so if I have to move it in upward direction, just select it and then move and then specify base point and then okay. Now next command is mirror command. So mirror command is used to produce the mirror image of this drawing. For this, first select the object and then left click on the mirror image. Then I have to make the mirror image in this direction. So I have to make mirror over here. So for this, just click it and then like that. Okay. This is the mirror image of this object. Okay. Now let's learn about the scale command. For this, just create a rectangle like that. So the scale command is used to increase or decrease the size of the object. For this, select on the object, then left click on the scale and then specify the base point like that. If I have to increase the size of the object by 2 times, enter 2 and then press enter key. Okay. Similarly, if I have to reduce the size of the object by half, so just select the object, then left click on the scale, then specify base point and then press 0.5 and then press enter key. Okay, like that. Now we learn about the trim command. For this, just create a object like that, okay, like that, then draw the circle like that. Okay, so if I have to remove this lower portion of the circle, for this, left click on the trim and click on the lower portion like that. So the lower portion is removed. Similarly, if I have to remove the line from here to there, then just click on this line. So this portion is removed. Okay. Now, now we learn about the fillet command. For this, let's draw a rectangle like that. So now left click on the plate, then select the first object, then enter R for radius, and then specify the first point and then second point. So the rectangular corner is changed to radius like that. Okay. Now we learn about the area. So let's draw a rectangle like that. So if I have to create multiple rectangle, like 5 rectangle in row and 2 in column, for this, first select the object and then click on the array, and in a column we need 5, and in a row we need 2, and then close it. So in this way we create 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2, 5 in column and 2 in row. Okay, thank you.